You put the handcuffs on me.
Put your hands
I'm
behind
not
your back.
putting the
Put
handcuffs
your
on me,
hands
man.
behind your back.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to jail for no problem, man.
Put your
Come
hands,
on now.
bro. Put your hands
You're not
behind
going
your
to put the handcuffs on me.
All right, so we're going to do this.
No, you're going to put the handcuffs on me.
Don't touch me.
You put the handcuffs on me,
Do
boy.
not touch me.
Let the handcuffs on me and call you back up, man.
If you're the officer here, what's the first red flag you're catching? Because this right here, this isn't just anger. This is someone daring things to go left. Watch the energy. He's not trying to get out of this. He's trying to force a moment. And once someone starts chasing that kind of reaction, yeah, this is about to spiral fast.
Get from by my car. Get from by my car. Get from by my car. Get away from my vehicle. Try me. Try me.
I'm telling you.
Try me. Try
Change
me.
me now.
Try me.
You move that goddamn change to your
Try
woman.
me. Try me.
Woman.
Try me. Try me. Take one more step.
Now hit me with that taser.
Try me.
Hit me with that taser. I'm gonna
Try me. You gonna f me up? You gonna f me up? Is that what you just said? Assault on a law enforcement officer? Is that where you want to go?
Listen, man. Hit me with that taser.
You gonna f me up? You want to say that one more time?
01 Alpha.
Do you want to say that one more time? Yes or no?
Man, leave the lady alone and go.
You want to say that one more? Don't worry about it. Go ahead. You gonna f me up?
Hey, listen.
Is you gonna f me up?
If don't take me with that damn
Are
taser.
you gonna f me up? Say it again. And your ass is going to f***ing jail tonight. Try me. Try me. Try me.
Ma'am, would you please
Try me.
put that
I don't want to
taser
hear it.
down.
Try me.
Put that sharp shit
Try
down
me.
now.
Or you gonna f me up?
Now you ain't putting the handcuffs on me now. You ain't putting the handcuffs on me.
Put your hands
I'm
behind
not
your
putting the
back.
handcuffs
Put your
on me,
hands
man.
behind your back.
I'm telling you, I'm not
Put
going to
your
jail for
hands-
no problem now.
Put your
Come
hands-
on now.
Bro. Put your hands
I'm
behind
not
your
going to put the handcuffs on me.
All right, so we're gonna do this.
No, you're going to put the handcuffs on me.
Don't touch
You
me.
put the handcuffs on me,
Do
boy.
not touch me.
Let the handcuffs on me and call you back up, man.
Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Put your hands behind your back.
You're not going to take
This
me
is
to
your
jail.
last warning.
I'm not going to the county
Put
jail.
your hands behind your back.
Mom, not going to county jail.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not.
Put your hands behind
I'm not going to county
your
jail.
back.
I'm not going to goddamn county jail,
Put your
woman.
hands behind
I'm
your
not going to county jail.
Put your hands behind your back.
Look, man.
Put
I'm
your-
not going to goddamn county jail,
Just
woman.
freedom.
Woman.
Bro, put your hands behind your back,
Hey,
bro.
woman, don't make me.
You're going to jail. You are going to jail. You are going to jail. You are going to
Look,
jail.
man,
You are going to jail.
I'm not going to tell you with that
You're
goddamn
going to jail.
You're not going to tell me with that goddamn because he got him
You're going to
handcuffed.
jail.
Unless he got him handcuffed.
You're going to jail.
They ain't going to tell me with that goddamn taser.
You're going to jail. Today. You are going to jail today.
No, I'm not now.
Yes, you are.
I'm not going to county jail. I'm not. I cannot do that. I cannot do that.
Put your hand behind your back. What's this?
I asked you, man. I asked you woman nicely, man.
Put your hands
Put your hand back.
I asked you, man. I asked you woman nicely, man.
Put
I asked you nicely.
your hands behind your back.
Look, boy. I asked you
Hands
nicely.
behind your back.
Relax,
I'm not
relax.
going to jail, boy.
Put your hands behind your back.
Right there.
You're just being insane right now.
I
Stop.
say I'm not
Stop.
going to jail.
Put your hands behind your back.
Come on.
I'm not going.
Put your hands behind your back.
So I didn't learn that lady.
Put your hands
walked
We'll
on
take him
to
down
the
to there.
hotel. That's a goddamn phone. Hey, y'all. No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Wait, relax now.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
All right.
It's that simple.
All right,
The other one first.
What's the other hand?
Yep.
Hold on.
Stop.
There you go.
Stop.
All right. Feel that shift? He went from loud to locked in. That's different. Now it's not chaos, it's commitment. Officers already know once someone stops backing down and starts planting their feet, there's only one direction this goes. And check this, they're not rushing anymore. That calm? That's experience kicking in. They've seen this exact pattern before, and it never ends clean.
0041.
Don't put foot on that. Don't put foot on that.
Not a second.
Don't put the foot on
Got
it.
it? Sit up. Sit up.
Don't put the foot on
Sit up.
Yeah, 7 with small vehicle.
What you got?
Park it up.
I got nothing, man.
Yeah, I'm telling you, man.
Ain't no joke.
Man, what? God dang on it, man. What you doing over here, man?
Hey, man, I'm telling the truth now. I was trying to go home, bro.
All right, check it out. Bring your feet in.
I was trying to do
Bring your feet in.
I'm not going to Canada.
All right, you ain't doing that. We're not gonna do nothing. I don't get down like that. Okay. I'll adjust when you stand up.
Right.
I'll adjust.
Yeah.
Put your, listen, stop. Put your knees to your chest, and we're gonna sit you up.
All right.
Hold on. Nah, listen, man.
Hey,
I'm
gonna stand up. I'm gonna have to get you to stand up. One of the two. All right, on 3. 1, 2.
Ram up.
All right, here, lean.
I ain't doing nothing wrong with that.
I can't tell it. I came up you on the ground.
No,
Barely you did something wrong.
No, I did not tell that woman, man.
Yeah?
All I did was tell that woman no change for me, man.
What you do before then?
All I did, man, tell that woman to do another change. Now I sit with me.
Yeah, son. You were good.
I sit with me, so he stepped on me, man. Well, we can't go to Walmart because we violated it, right? Huh? Right?
I can't hear a word you say. What you
I
say?
said we can't go to Walmart because we violated it, right?
What?
Walmart.
Yeah, you got a trespass over there.
Yeah. Come there from here, right?
Look like it. I don't know.
Yeah. Because we ain't doing nothing wrong, sir.
Oh, we're going to find out.
No, I'm serious now. You go at the camera.
I'm serious. We're going to find out.
You just supposed to the wrong way. But she got mad, you know?
Okay. I turn away from her. Hey, chill out now. I want to do it the right way. I do it the right way every time. You hear me? I ain't going to treat you like nobody else, nobody different. I ain't going to treat you no better, no worse.
Yeah, we all right? I'm just
We all right.
Yeah,
I like doing the things the same way every time, man. The way I can do it in my sleep, all right? You ain't got nothing on you like that? All right.
You get someone on the camera, yeah, man. I apologize for the disrespect of the woman.
What's on so 15 years, 10 for?
I'm going to ask you that, sir.
Call for thank you. 1 to 10.
No, where am I going to ask you?
It's on the ground. We got.
Come on, let's go this way. See this bump over here? I don't want you leaning over, falling over. Crack your head open.
What I'm saying, sir?
Lean right there. Lean on the bumper.
Hold on now. We didn't do anything wrong.
I don't know. I'm sitting here trying to figure it out. They called.
No. See, big man, we didn't do anything, lady.
Hey.
She told her she hit us with the taser.
I'm saying, I came up here because she asked me to come up here. All right?
Yeah.
What happened before I got here? We're going to figure it out. But I need you to be cool in between, you ready?
Yeah, I'm just saying, though.
All right.
We just approached her later on.
Who approached her later on?
We did.
You had another one out? Was somebody else out here?
No, just me and the guy in the gray car.
Well, right here?
Y'all got my hat?
Yeah, your hat's still on your.
No,
on your
on my head.
Yeah, it's behind you with the glasses. Just lean on the bumper so you don't fall, all right? See, there's no good reason why I come up here and they got to put you on the ground. That means that you're acting. Nah. It's the same respect you showed me. You showed to her. You hear me? You wouldn't be coming out the mouth sideways with me like that, right? Tell the truth. Saying the double. You don't come out the mouth sideways with her. Because guess what you going to call? Me.
This is Charles, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
There was a whole lot of foolishness that went on between them all pulling up and you being on the ground.
Well,
There ain't no well. It was a whole bunch of foolishness or not. Yes or no?
I still can ask the woman, just said tell the truth. Now,
Yes or
didn't
no?
you say, y'all going to jail today? Didn't you
Yes
say
or
that
no?
word?
What's wrong with all words?
She said, y'all.
And
I ain't gonna say that word. She said.
it don't matter. Lean back on the bumper. Lean back on the bumper. No, lean back on the bumper so you don't fall over. Lean over and rest on it.
Yeah, put them pants back up, please. Everyone, which side?
All right, lean on the bumper so we can get you figured out. There's a whole lot easier ways to not go to jail than do what you did and end up on the ground.
Yeah, but
There ain't no but.
Where y'all came from?
Ain't no but. There's no but involved. You've been around here long enough to know a good conversation, a good old couple I'm sorry, to end up, you might get a written arrest, hey, show up to this court date, not being up on the ground. That's what it is. There's a whole lot of asinine situations going on before then.
Man, this is the part people miss. All that fight from earlier? It's gone. Now it's just talking, explaining, trying to rewind time. But it don't work like that. Once you cross that line with an officer, everything after is just damage control. And listen to the tone now. He knows. He knows this didn't have to go here. Crazy part? This whole thing could have ended with a simple walk away.
Probably a whole lot of slick talking too, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A whole bunch of telling what you ain't gonna do, right?
No.
Boo! Come on now.
I said I'm not going to the county jail.
Come on now.
That's what I said.
I'm getting to a whole lot of slick rapping before then. Pull your pants up. You can pull it up from the back. That's why I told you to lean on it, so you ain't got to worry about your pants falling off.
She need help, man. She got a problem, man. With this brother, man. You know, I'm a big guy. I'm not a little bit of trouble, man. Like this.
1216, switching 3.
We want to kind of stop. Because I don't know that she wants to laugh like me.
It's in? Well, guess what? Gotta go with me.
Yeah.
Yep. Come on over here. This is what I'm gonna do.
What am I going to do? What am I going to do for, man? I can't go.
Hey. Keep it simple. If it's simple, keep it simple, all right?
What was you going to do?
Put your belly button right here. I'm gonna take everything out your pockets. You ain't gotta lean on it, just stand straight up.
Oh, you taking yourself a rib?
Yeah.
You trying to find it?
Yeah.
For what?
I don't know.
Trespass?
I don't know. I ain't go over there and see yet.
What I be doing? What she said? I called her.
Hey.
Hey, man, lying, man.
Get in, get out.
We told the lady that we weren't going to the county, man. No, I'm not going to the county jail, man. Tonight, man. Come on, man. Let me out of this motherfucker. This and that, man. Let me help out of this, man.
This ain't mine to help you out of. That's how you supposed to be talking to him when she came up. Come on, slide over here so you be stepping in the water. This how you should have been talking to her when she came up.
Give me one of my lollipops.
Nah.
Huh?
Nope, can't do that.
I mean, one of my lollipops.
Hey, I told you can't do it. What you want me to do? Break the rules?
Break the rules is about my lollipop. But when I get to the county, I'm getting one of them.
You say when you get to the county?
Yeah. Take him to the goddamn.
Don't go waddling off on me.
Well, what we going to jail for?
Oh, baby, look. I'm not handling the paperwork on this.
Woman, you lying. Woman, stop lying.
Come on, that ain't the way to stay out of jail neither.
She is lying.
I told you gotta learn how to talk to people, man.
She lying, bro.
Come on, swing it around. I'm gonna crack the window and turn up the AC so it don't get hot.
Damn, man. We going to motherfucking jail.
I told you, yeah.
Well, what for? Just take care of me, man.
Come on, swing it around. Or you can just scoot straight in like that. It's a little tight in these. It ain't like my new truck. Keep scooting.
I put on that first. Let's step out. Let me get out.
Yeah, the new truck I got, man, I got leg room in there for days, man. I can put like a 7-foot person in that joint. Keep scooting your butt to the bike. You just sit sideways. Keep scooting. You gotta get past that hump. Keep scooting.
All
right. I'm gonna open up the other door, the other window, and I'm gonna turn the AC on for you.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay. Take your hand down. Tell me what happened with that black older male today.
Yeah, first he was out in the parking lot, basically messing with the customers, you know, asking them, panhandling, asking, can you get $1, can you get $2, he'll pump their gas. I went from there to coming inside the store now, asking them at the register. He pulled out some kind of card saying that he needed to make a phone call. He needed to make a phone call because he needed a ride. He's stuck. I asked him to leave several times. And then he said, you know, he's not going to go nowhere. He's going to go to the parking lot. And then walked out.
So he was indeed harassing your customers, panhandling.
Loitering, correct.
Inside and outside the store.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you agree to provide this statement by your own free will?
I do.
Can you describe what the male looked like?
5'9", dark older male, gray hair, wearing black and red.
Okay. All right, and you did not give him permission to loiter or panhandle?
Not at all. I asked him to leave several times and he's going.
Okay. Did you agree to provide the statement by your own free will?
Yes.
Was all the information provided in the truth? Was all the information provided in the statement the truth?
Yes.
Okay, this concludes the sworn statement at 1:16 a.m.
You all right?
Well, I'm going to tell you the truth, man. The lady, we took the lady handcuffs and she goddamn told the truth, y'all. Now, if she said we took handcuffs, we took them, but she told us we were going to put them on our goddamn hands, man.
So you were showing your behind with her?
Yeah, man.
No, that's the wrong thing to do.
But I'm saying, though, she should have motherfucker tried to put the handcuffs on.
All right, okay, check it out.
Goddamn self.
Now, if I try to put handcuffs on, you gonna give me the same business?
No.
Okay, then you gotta give her the same respect you give me.
The woman knows she was wrong, man.
You gotta give her the same respect you give me, man.
She just said she was sorry.
All right. So after you get done, apologize to her because you wouldn't try that with me, man.
Well,
You gotta give her the same respect, all
I
right?
apologize for taking your goddamn handcuffs.
All right, calm down, and I'll let you apologize to her in a minute, all right?
So here's how it actually ends. He gets hit with assault on a law enforcement officer, resisting without violence, and trespassing. And it lands him 3 days in jail. Not months. Not years. Just 3 days. But still, avoidable. That's the part that sticks. All that escalation for something that could have been handled in 2 calm sentences. Now I'm curious, if you were in his position, knowing how this played out, would you have handled that moment differently? Drop your take in the comments, and if you catch details like this, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe for more breakdowns like this.